Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to see how many soda bottles, glass bottles, it takes to stop 10-ton press. So the same idea as on the soda can video, and that was so nice that I want to see this with glass bottles. And I don't even remember how strong these are, so I think I'm not going to look that up, so this is going to be completely mystery for me also. Machine is set to 10 tons, let's try with 3 first. Okay, here it goes. Yeah, that was a bit faster than with the soda cans. We were super worried that it's going to fly like 100 meters and it's going to be terrible to clean. But yeah, this doesn't look bad. How many should we put? 10?
10 next.
Okay, 10 is the next one. Okay, now we have 10 bottles, again 10 tons, and same setup as on the soda can video. 2 really thick steel plates. Items are between those, and they need to be thick so they don't bend at all, so we get about the even load on all of the items being tested at the same time. Okay, this is somehow like nerve cracking. It should be actually the same as with the 3 bottles, but somehow not. Okay,
How much is it?
hard to say. That's already 10 tons.
Okay. That's interesting. Only 10 bottles.
Yeah. I'm going to crank up the press. Okay, now it's going to go. That was pretty fast. Let's have a look on the high speed. Okay, so you need only 10 bottles to stop a 10-ton press. That's surprisingly small amount. And I really like this video series. It's somehow really interesting and fun to do. So please let us know what we should try next. And we can also pump up this to the 40 tons and use 150-ton press. We just want to decide the amount of force that we are going to use before we start the video. So please let us know item and how many tons you want to use. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.